Hey everybody, my name is Alex Merced, Senior Evangelist here at Dremio, and I want to talk to you today about how can you deploy the Dremio Lakehouse platform. Now, one of the things that we're most proud of here at Dremio is how flexible the Dremio Lakehouse platform is, with many different deployment options. Now, the easiest way to deploy Dremio is just to take advantage of the cloud-managed Dremio Cloud Platform, where basically you can just sign up in a few minutes and have a Lakehouse platform ready to go, ready to give access to your data and allow you to do blazing fast analytics. But we also have a self-managed option, which is really easy to deploy into any kind of Kubernetes environment on your favorite cloud environment. And it doesn't really stop there. We're going to have some really exciting announcements this year at the Subsurface Lakehouse Conference about other ways you can deploy the Lakehouse platform, so that way you can access your on-prem data, your cloud data, and make sure that you have the security and governance that you need when accessing that data. So make sure to check out the Subsurface keynote this year. Thank you very much for listening to this. I'll see you around.